after Prime Minister Narendra Modi took a jibe at the Congress over the redistribution of wealth. He said Congress will snatch Mangal Sutras of women. Rahul's aide and Pitroda, chairman of Indian Overseas Congress, has highlighted the contrast between American and Indian inheritance laws. Pitroda stresses the importance of debating such issues, advocating for policies that benefit broader society rather than solely serving the super rich. He further issued clarification over his statement and said that it is nothing, in fact, it has nothing to do with any political party's policy, including that of Congress's. Meanwhile, Congress has distanced itself from the statements that have been made and said that party stance is different than his opening, and in fact the opinions that he has shared. Meanwhile, a war of words has already erupted over his statements. Union Home Minister Amit Shah also slammed Congress over the statement and said that this is an appeasement. This is in fact appeasement politics, is what H.M. Shah has had to say. Let's in fact take a listen to this war of words.
This particular group cannot be into everything. There is a Monopoly Act in America also. You know, we have to make sure that few people become so rich that they begin to run government. We have to make sure that's the requirement in democracy, everywhere in the world. Nothing wrong in being rich, nothing wrong in accumulating wealth, but to what point? Let me tell you, in America, there is an inheritance tax.
How can there is a constitution and constitution never allows to do this, and we are not we don't have any intention. Why you are putting his ideas in our mouth? Why you are propagating? He is just for votes. He is playing all this game. You take it from me, and you should also realize.
कांग्रेस पार्टी सैम पित्रोड़ा के बयान के बाद कंप्लीटली एक्सपोज हो गई है। सबसे पहले घोषणा पत्र में सर्वे, मनमोहन सिंह का पुराना बयान जो कांग्रेस की लेगेसी है कि हम देश के संसाधन पर सबसे पहला अधिकार माइनॉरिटीज का मानते हैं, और अब इनके मैनिफेस्टो बनाने में जिनकी अहम भूमिका है वो सैम पित्रोड़ा का बयान कि संपत्ति के बंटवारे पर विचार होना चाहिए.
So of course, viewers, there you heard it. Meanwhile, let's listen into some more political reactions coming in.
I think what Mr. Sam Pitroda is trying to say is that the wealth of the distribution of wealth should be equitable, and the current regime is more concerned about concentrating wealth in a couple of industrialists' hands, whereas we are concerned about distributing wealth to the marginalized people of the society, irrespective of their caste or community. The idea is to empower people at the bottom of the pyramid to ensure that we have a equitable society, both socially and economically. And that's what we have stated in our manifesto as well. So we have minimum wages of 400 rupees in the Manrega in our manifesto. We are giving apprenticeship of 8,000 rupees. We are ensuring the women have close to around 8,500 rupees income per month through Mahalakshmi. All these are going to ensure that there is more money in hands of the poor so that they can spend more, which is going to come back to the government and in turn get back to the people of the country. So the BJP is just trying to make this a poll issue by bringing it to about one community. Have a look at all the 5 guarantees here in Karnataka. There are more BJP beneficiaries than from the Congress who are taking the guarantees.
अंकल सैम तो राहुल के गुरु है। राहुल की हर विदेश यात्रा में अंकल सैम होते ही नहीं होते। तो कांग्रेस पार्टी ने बताना चाहिए कि अपनी तो राजनीतिक विरासत, अपनी पॉलिटिकल इनहेरिटेंस 100% देना है राहुल गांधी को और अपने बच्चों को। पर अगर कोई ईमानदार, अगर कोई व्यक्ति जो नागरिक है वो मेहनत करके टैक्स भर के अगर अपनी दुकान, अपनी किसान की ज़मीन या अपनी कोई संपत्ति या अपनी कोई सेविंग अपने बच्चों को देना चाहता है, उसमें से 55% कांग्रेस पार्टी लेना चाहती है। ये कांग्रेस की मानसिकता है, ये कांग्रेस की दुर्भावना है। केवल एक वोट बैंक को खुश करने के लिए कांग्रेस पार्टी किस प्रकार से लूट का पंजा बनी हुई है, ये आज सामने आ चुका है।
देखिए, सैम पित्रोदा का जो बयान है, वास्तव में ये कांग्रेस पार्टी की जो अंदरूनी रणनीति है उसका हिस्सा है, मुझे लगता है। ऐसे समय में बयान आया है जब देश में इस बात की चर्चा चल रही है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी लोगों की गहनों की, संपत्ति की जांच कराकर उस पर कब्जा करेगी, उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेगी और ऐसे लोगों को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेगी जिन लोगों ने हमेशा हिंदुस्तान को तबाह करने का काम किया है। हम इसकी घोर निंदा करते हैं और देश की जनता आने वाले समय में कांग्रेस पार्टी को इसका खामियाजा जरूर भुगताएगी।
कांग्रेस गरीब विरोधी पार्टी है, पिछड़ा विरोधी पार्टी है, दलित विरोधी पार्टी है, आदिवासी विरोधी पार्टी है, महिला विरोधी पार्टी है, गरीब विरोधी पार्टी है और इस पार्टी का जो असली चरित्र है उसे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने उजागर कर दिया। इसके कारण से कांग्रेस बौखला गई है। पहले तो इनकी स्थिति 40 सांसद जीतने की भी नहीं बन रही थी, लेकिन अब 40।
Well, of course, viewers, there you heard it. Meanwhile, joining us at this point of time is my colleague Anand Singh. Anand, of course, ever since Sam Pitroda made these statements, the redistribution war has now intensified. Give our viewers a better understanding on this.
Yeah, Sam Pitroda, who is also the chairman of the Indian Overseas Congress and is considered very close to Rahul Gandhi and Gandhi family members, because he has also earlier worked with Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi, both the former prime ministers of the country. So his views on the inheritance tax in US has stirred a major controversy here in India, where the BJP is targeting the Congress that its schemes have been exposed and what it plans to do after winning the elections has also been come to the fore of the people. Because Sam Pitroda talked about how in US, if you have a property of over 10 billion, then you after your death, then 55% of your properties goes to the government, while 45% remains with the children of that person. So when he talked about this, the BJP has again lashed out at the Congress, saying that this is what Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been saying, and this is what he has been highlighting in his speeches since Sunday. Because Prime Minister Modi in his speech has been directly attacking the Congress, saying that they want to survey the properties of the people of the country and they want to distribute it among the people of one particular religion. So this is how the BJP and the Prime Minister especially has been targeting the Congress. Whereas even Union Home Minister Amit Shah has slammed the Congress, taking a jibe at them that their entire plot has been exposed, and the people should take the statement of Sam Pitroda very seriously, as this is their intention. So, in fact, this kind of a statement coming ahead of the crucial Lok Sabha election, where Congress is indulged in a very high octane battle with the BJP, we have to look at how this war of words plays out in the building.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.